Hey guys, Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2, and it has been quite some time since my last YouTube video, so I just wanted to do a quick life update without going into too many details. My in-laws, my mother and father-in-law, they are elderly and they live with us, and in mid-September there was a freak accident and my father-in-law unfortunately passed away, and since then we've been very busy. My mother-in-law has cancer in her tongue and a whole bunch of other health problems, and my own mother is fighting lung cancer, which has since been upped to stage 4. So I've had a lot of personal stuff going on, as well as, you know, I have 3 children and they are all of school age, so they all need full-time care. So on top of all that, I tried to work in some crafting, but some things may have fallen through the crack, like this channel. So I am back, and I plan on making more videos very soon. Of course, the end of the year is always kind of slow with Christmas and stuff as far as crafting stuff, but hopefully come 2026 we'll be back on track. So the swap I'm sharing with you today is the Thankful for Crafty Friends Swap, and it was hosted by Ursula, who is Articglam, and it was a one-on-one swap, and my partner is Meeka, or Meeka Boo, and the requirements for this swap were 1 beaded pen or shaker mix, 2 store-bought crafty items under $5, and 1 Thanksgiving or grateful card. And of course I went a little over the top. Would you expect anything less from me? I hope not. So me and Meeka talked, and she loves pastels, she loves pink, she loves glitter, and of course I wanted to keep it all within the fall theme, and this is what I've come up with for her swap. I am gifting it all in this gorgeous bag, and it is from Bath and Body Works a few years ago. It was just a really pretty bag, one that you hold on to and find a way to reuse because it's gorgeous. And hold on one second. Okay, so here's a closer look at the little gift tag I've added here. It is one of the acrylic bows from Hobby Lobby, and I put it on a keychain along with a gold tassel. And I used some holographic vinyl to make the bow look more like a bow. And I have added her name there on the tail. It says Meeka. And I guess let's just reach in and grab out here. So the first thing here, this is one of those Dollar Tree like makeup bags. And I went ahead and I hand embroidered her name across the front here. It says Meeka in the white. And for one of her crafty gifts, this is a Heidi Swap magnetic die stamp set, and it has, like, this one says it's a good day to have a good day. There are of course, like the dates and stuff like that. And this one says stuff like details. It's 4 different plates she can put on here to use to make different stamps. And I put that in. That is a way to package it up. I am gifting her the other gift. The other store-bought gift was some ribbon, and this ribbon is from Michaels. It is gorgeous. It is sheer in the center there, and then it has little like oak leaves and stuff all around it, and acorns. The paper pad that I used, it's actually right here. Hold on. Alright, this was by Craftsmith, and it was called Sweet Harvest, and that was from Michael's last year, I believe. Anyway, so to decorate the front of the ribbon here, I cut out this pattern paper, sewed all around it, and then I used my die cuts to die cut out these leaves and this like copper foil paper and some vellum. And then some orange cardstock that I used some of the glitter holographic sticker paper over the top of. I cut out some pumpkin ephemera, and then I used my, I think it's CF Party Dies, the the fall words. Anyways, this one says hello fall. And I just decorated the front of that to make it a little more beautiful for her. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, here is the shaker mix I made. I just had some leftover packaging that I reused. I used some more of that pretty pumpkin and flower paper on the background, and then this was like a little cut apart that said Happy Harvest. For the colors of the sequin there, we have some light pinks, some gold, some whites, some like creamy whites, some like translucent oranges, and then I have these little pumpkin clay slices and some heart clay slices as well. And I think it's just a pretty little sequin mix. Alright, I am also gifting some Ghirardelli milk chocolate caramel squares. I love chocolate and caramel, so I thought that would be a wonderful gift. And I also did a beaded pen, but since it wasn't a very big beaded pen, that's why I went ahead and included the sequin mix as well. Hold on one second. Alright, sorry about that. I get these pens from Five Below, and they come with like one little charm on the end, and it's normally something silly like a gumball. So I went ahead and I changed those out. We have a little squirrel here, a little pink one with some like bead caps, a little bow, a fuzzy pink bead, and a pumpkin charm. And so since it wasn't very beaded, that's why I went ahead and gave the sequin mix as well. My craft room butts up to my daughter's bathroom, and she has decided to take a shower. So if you guys get a unsolicited concert, I am very sorry. Hopefully we're almost done here though, so it won't be too bad. I'd recently done this in another swap. I just made like a little policy envelope, and this one says Hey Pumpkin, and I used another cut apart from the collection, and at the top here I have a little velvet bow that I've added to a little gold paper clip. And then inside I have gifted her just some pretty almost shabby like stickers, and these are just from the Hobby Lobby. And oh, a few more things in here, not too many. I'm also gifting her this Happy Fall bracelet from Hobby Lobby with the cute little maple leaf on it. And here is the card that I made, my thankful card. It is in a vellum envelope. And I just made a cute little like crisscross pattern here, like a little Celtic knot almost. And then I embossed thankful on it. And I just left it blank on the inside for her to do whatever it was that she'd like to do with this grateful card. I'm sorry, I am at a loss for words right now. My brain is not working. What else do we have in here? Okay, last but not least, I have the cutest little tumbler here. What did they call it? Yeah, mini tumbler, and it is also from Hobby Lobby, and it has this cute little bow on there, and I have used it almost like an embellishment box. I have filled it with wire wrapped beads and cute little fall themed charms. Let's see. I've got little tassels, little words. This one says hi. I think there's one that says fall, one that says leaf. I mean, just lots of fun little things in here. There's a little bow. Whoops. Here is a bigger bow. We've got like a little flower Another little bow. I wanted all of these to match the color scheme, but of course still be something she could use. So, and of course fall themed as much as possible. We have a little maple leaf, a little squirrel guy, a little deer. These guys will be really great for some Maggie Home stuff. I had this beautiful blue maple leaf. I had a really adorable little mushroom glass bead. Just a pink disco ball guy. A white pearlescent guy. Someone had gifted me last year some pumpkin beads, so I went ahead and wire wrapped it. Just some more pink and white. Here's like that like very, very light orange. Another bow. I did some of the little heishi beads in the white and pink. This one is white, pink, and orange. There was that tassel. Some hearts. There was high. Here, yeah, leaf. Fall. Some little cabochons, like some little bows. Another orange leaf. A little tiny bow. This one is just like little hearts. I don't even know if you can make that out. Let's see. Yeah. Then different colored leaf beads. This one is like an orange coppery color. This one is white. Some little stacked beads of different kinds. Some different pumpkin charms. All these just happen to be pink pumpkins. A big orange heart. This like another one of those fluffy beads that feels like sweater material. Some more stacked beads. This cute little orange teardrop, but it's all pastel color. And then just a cute little like flat charm there in the same color scheme. And that is everything that I am sending to Meeka. Hopefully she loves everything. I'm also going to make sure I send a little card telling her how thankful I am to have her, to count on her as a crafty friend, and hopefully she enjoys everything I've made. If you guys like anything I've made, you have questions, please comment down below. But be sure to follow me pretty much everywhere under Raven Lou and Paper 2. I'm definitely more active on Instagram, but I also try and share here and there on TikTok and YouTube as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.